how to submit your work to me for my web page. Here's a little video that's going to help you how to do that. So follow along. So first of all, it's just that you want to go into the Google Drive. So the first thing is that you're going to sign in to your Google Drive. So just put in your password and everything. And after when you're done that, I'll show you an example of some work you're working on, and you need to submit that work. So in the first part is just that if you look on the screen right now, it looks like a mess because it's not really organized in that part. But now, here's the way that I set up my stuff so that I can find things correctly. I put it all into different folders so you could create your own for your classes. So over here, I'm going to show you a presentation for the exposure module, but just as an example of presentation. So you got your work, you're done, you want to submit it, you click on the share button, you go into the change of the settings, share settings, anyone with a link, click on that, press save, and after that, copy that link. And you can either right click or just Control C or Command C on the Mac and press done. After you got that, go and open a new tab and search for my web page, which is Tech Media HS. When you click onto that, it's usually the first one that pops up. So click onto that, it'll bring you to my web page. And as you can see, I got 3 classes this semester. And make sure that you choose the right one because everyone's got a submitting work kind of form, but you have to choose the right one. So over here, because it was a photography, I'm going to go and click onto the submit. This form pops up, and then you do as usual. You just fill in your name, your first name, your last name, and also the block that you have. So if in this case, photography is in the second block, the assignment name, you can put the assignment number 1 or 2, or this one in this case was exposure for presentation. This is where you copy and you paste the actual link of sharing your document. So you can say Control V or Command V on the Mac, and or just right click. Your email address, make sure you put one that you check regularly, because the evaluation that I'm going to do, the rubrics, I'm going to send that back to the email that you just provided into that slot. And then you don't need to write a comment. It's just up to you. You don't actually need to fill that up. And after that, you press submit, and it says, thank you for submitting your assignment, Mr. Thériault. Perfect. You close. And now you're done. So that's about it for submitting your work.